Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will quickly explore how to create a salary slip format in Excel. This is a great skill to have, whether you're an employer, employee, or just want to learn more about how Excel can be used for business purposes. The first step is to open Excel and create a new file. Once you have a new file open, you can start to format your salary slip. At the top of your salary slip, you will want to add the company's name, address, and the month and year of the salary slip. You can do this by simply typing the information into the cell. Now, you will need to add the employee's personal information, such as their name, designation, ID, department, date of joining, bank details, and attendance details. You can do this by creating a new row for each piece of information. In the next row, you will need to add the salary structure for the employee. This includes their basic salary, housing rent allowance, medical allowances, conveyance, and other special allowances. You can do this by creating a new row for each piece of information. In the next row, you will need to add the deductions for the employee. This includes their PF, ESI, professional tax, and TDS. You can do this by creating a new row for each piece of information. Finally, you will need to calculate the net salary for the employee. To do this, you can use the following formula. Net salary equals gross salary minus deductions. You can enter this formula into the cell below the deductions row. For example, if the gross salary is in cell B17 and the deductions are in cell D17, you would enter the following formula into cell E17 equals B17 hyphen D17. This formula will calculate the net salary for the employee and display it in cell E17. You can also use this formula to calculate the net salary for multiple employees at once. To do this, you would enter the formula into the cell below the deductions row for each employee. For example, if you have a list of employees in cell A2 to A10 and their gross salaries are in cells B2 to B10, you could enter the following formula into cell D2 equal B2 hyphen C2. Then you could copy and paste this formula down to cell D10 to calculate the net salary for all of your employees. At the bottom of your salary slip, you will want to add a signature line for the company and the employee. You can do this by simply typing the word signature and employee signature into the cells. Once you have added all the information to your salary slip, you can start to format it. You can change the font size, font style, and the alignment of the text. You can also add borders and shadings to the cells. Once you are happy with the formatting of your salary slip, you can save it. To do this, click on the File tab and then click on Save As, and that's it. You have now created a salary slip format in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.